Tahini obtained from ground sesame seeds provides incredible benefits to our body with its rich vitamin and mineral pool. This food, which has been used as a source of healing since ancient time, is good for many metabolic problems in our body if consumed in the right amount and time instead of products containing refined sugar. What are the benefits and harms of tahini consumption? When and how much should be consumed? One should be very, very careful while consuming the grass. Let's examine it together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before you skip the benefit. We are here with a new information video every day. What are the benefits of consuming a spoonful of tahini a day? The beneficial fatty acids in tahini encourage the growth of beneficial probiotic bacteria in the gut. In particular, the antioxidant substances in it minimize intestinal flora problems in the digestive system. The phenolic compounds that give tahini its density protect the internal structure of the stomach and show positive effects against problems such as gastritis and stomach ulcers by balancing the amount of acid in the digestive tract. At the same time, cereal has three important nutrients: iron, selenium, and zinc. These compounds seek out free radicals in the body and neutralize them before they can damage healthy cells. In addition, the phenolic compounds in tahini relieve dry cough in a short time. On the other hand, omega-3 in tahini reduces plaque levels in the body and helps to treat cardiovascular diseases. The potassium it contains acts as a vasodilator by controlling the water balance in the body and releases the tension in the narrowed blood vessels. Magnesium regulates blood circulation and relaxes the muscles. At the same time, this mixture reduces the frequency of problems such as muscle contraction and cramps with the potassium and magnesium it contains. Tahini for a healthier brain structure. The omega-3 in it not only protects our heart health but also improves the nerve tissues in the body and protects the brain health. It regulates the blood flow to the brain during stress and reduces the level of panic. However, tahini, which is a solution for insomnia on its own, provides very useful activities for insomnia problems with the tryptophan it provides to our body. However, the cereal that fights free radicals provides protection against harmful metals taken into the body, radiation and toxins created by some drug. Its content is very rich in terms of E, C and B vitamins. By preventing the deterioration of the cell structure, it prevents the negative activities of pathogens in the body and finds and neutralizes cancerous cells in body odor. In addition, tahini is very rich in fatty acids, which have important functions such as balancing the amount of sugar in the blood and controlling the way it is used by the body. After consuming a spoonful of tahini, the total digestion time is approximately 5 to 6 hours. During this period, it is slowly given to the blood and prolongs the satiety period. In addition, thanks to the calcium and fatty acids it contains, it increases the speed of metabolic activities and reduces our fat rate in the long term by enabling the fat tissue in the body to be used much more comfortably. At the same time, iron, which is necessary for blood cell production and oxygen transport in the body, is abundant in tahini. In this way, it prevents the formation of anemia. It helps to reduce symptoms such as chronic fatigue caused by anemia, depression and weakness. Also, sesame contains plenty of zinc. Zinc mineral plays an active role in the production of collagen. Zinc, which keeps your skin supple, fights signs of aging by repairing damaged tissues. So, are there any harms of tahini molasses consumption? First of all, this mixture, which makes very important contributions to the intestinal flora, can create certain imbalances in the intestinal system when consumed too much. In addition, the content of tahini is quite full and can cause certain weight problems when consumed uncontrolled. So, how much tahini molasses mix should be consumed? Experts recommend consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of this mixture prepared naturally, 4 to 5 days a week, especially during the months when our immune system is low. In the light of this information, you can add tahini to your nutrition program and benefit from its benefits in the long term. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Stay well, stay informed.